Well, hello there. I guess this is probably counts as my first vlog. So I just thought I'd start it here. I did start it a minute or two ago. But I was in need of a figgy biscuit. Bonjour. Calm biker knows what I mean. It's a problem. So this is nearly October in the Basque Country, which is par for the course around these parts. Lucky for us. You'll notice the cigarette goes in my back pocket and not on the ground. So this is a vlog, so a motorcycle vlog, so it's got a motorcycle in it. Bessie's lovely. She's a peach. So here we are. It's ironic really that the day where you actually get everything sorted, this morning it was making the tab for the helmet mount on the GoPro, and now I've got the microphone sorted out thanks to everybody that made suggestions about that, and particularly Accidental Broadcast, because he's done some brilliant videos on how to get it all sorted. But I can't believe it, but it's actually all happening now. And ironically, I can think of nothing intelligent to say. Surprise. I suppose I could talk about scooters. I only started the whole thing with the idea of getting a GoPro because of the scooter, or scooters, because I've been messing with them now for quite some time, and there's so much nonsense on the internet about mechanics and scooters. It's just the whole thing. The idea originally was to kind of transmit a bit of knowledge that I've picked up from a very good mechanic friend of mine called Cesar, and I kind of spread it around, because paying €40 an hour for somebody to typically do not a very good job it just seems scandalous to me. So that was the idea, and that in fact was the purpose of the first videos. And then I thought, well, why don't I take the thing on board? So then it got mounted to the helmet, and oil everywhere here. So, I was mentioning back in another vlogger's video, he said, when you think about diesel on the road, I was saying, here it's just ridiculous. Excuse me. So yeah, scooters. Well, I like them, but only because it's another motorbike. And then Bessie came along. Guy who was selling her, he lives literally walking distance from my house, and when I saw the state of her, 8,500 kilometers on the clock. The first guy had obviously run her in very carefully because he made notes on the rev limits for running her in, which look at this. This isn't even a main road, yeah? On the main roads it's even worse. And it just goes on and on and on and on and on. Anyway. So there it is. I don't know how long this memory card lasts or anything. I'm still learning about the whole GoPro thing. I would have preferred to get a drift, but it's so difficult to get hold of in this part of the world, and I really prefer buying stuff over the counter if I possibly can, for all sorts of reasons. But anyway, welcome to my first proper video vlog, and I'll probably can it there, and